now, last time we made the map hoverable, so you can put your mouse over it. So now I'm going to make the map clickable by using JavaScript. Okay. So, basically, we're going to use JavaScript. And first, let's set up the JavaScript first. And so we're going to do okay. Forgot this. There we go. Okay. Document dot ready function. Okay, never mind. You don't do that. You do this. Actually, no. One second. Okay, yeah, you do this, but let's just space it out. Okay. Okay. And so, we need a sample text now. So, let me just find a place to put it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put it down here. Let's get everything set up in the HTML first. That's a good idea. Okay. I really have no other better text. Okay, actually, I'm gonna change it to div. That's not how you spell div. Okay. And I'm gonna give it an ID just in case, like. Okay, so you have that. And now let's give a class. Okay, let's give a class. Does this already have a class? Let me see. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay. Actually, ID. That's better. Okay. And so now we can finally set up. There we go. It knows our JavaScript. Let's click function event. We're gonna do the same thing here. Switch. Okay, there we go. And we don't need the semicolon for this one. Okay, so now here's the part where we, let's find class. Let's do an ID. ID might be better. Okay, let's just use ID. Okay, ID. Let's do something nice and short. Let's copy the ID over to here. Okay, so now we can use the case function and I'm gonna put this in, info, and this is the sample text earlier. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, that's this ID info. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop there. And yeah. Basically with the case function, well, in this case, it's right here. I'm pretty sure it, like, I like to think of this as a sample text that you replace, and then this is the text that you replace it with. So, okay, yeah, I really have. I do like to put this as a, there's something on my keyboard. I like to put this as like a fact or something, but I don't want to Google a fact right now. But yeah, and this is a loop. So in order to break out of the loop, we use break. Yeah, because you break out of the loop. Okay, let's go test it. Okay. Oh, I forgot something really quick. I forgot to place the text. Okay, just needed to refresh the page. Okay, so it says hi guys down here. I'm gonna click Okay. Hang on. 1 second. Okay, I want to try something. Maybe it's not actually connected. And so maybe... Did it refresh? Okay. I need to figure this out. Okay, so I figured out the problem. You need to add something really quick. I have it. It's this. So, you can type it out manually. I think I might put it in the description, just in case if you want it. But yeah, this is the thing that makes it so... It says hi guys, right? So if I click on this, it says hi Aussie. It changed, okay? Okay, let's try this with other countries. Okay. Now we got that figured out. Let's do Canada. Okay. Okay. Canned. Perfect ID. It's going to take a while. How about let's not make it a while? Canada has so many islands. I think, right? Okay, whoops. We don't want that. Okay. Is it still Canada? Okay, it changed. Okay, so now let's just go ahead, copy this. I don't know how to fix that indenting problem. So, yeah. Okay. Now, there you go. Okay. So you have two. So that is how you make your SVG clickable. This works with any SVG. It does not change the mouse icon though, so you'll have to program that. But yeah, this is how you make it clickable. The best way, like easiest way, more like. Well, in the next video, I'll show you how to do the CSS. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.